Okay, for the engine filter, so this is the part number for the engine filter for the RAV4 2020 17801-F0050. So to access the engine filter, we have to open the hood. So once you open, this is here. This is where your engine filter is located, so you need to open this. So you have to remove this one, this clip, this one, and there's two like a secure clip here and this one here. So it's kind of difficult to remove this one hand, so I'm gonna show you once I remove this 3 and 2 with my bolt. So you have to push this like this and then pull. So once this is removed, you have to press this down, then pull, and then this one here. Pull up and then go to the side. So once this is free, you have to open this, then this one here, and you can remove this one. So after you remove this one, this two connection, and opening this secure clip, this one and here, so make sure you can confirm to remove this. So you have to push this and the other side. So this is the old one. So my RAV4 already drove almost 15,000 miles, so I think it's just about the right time to replace also the engine filter, and it's the same part number 17801 F0050. So once everything is aligned, this square, and this one here, it's a snug fit. On the other side, this one. So it's all aligned. You can safely flip this back, and this one here, then connect this 3 back. That's it. Secured. This one here, and this one, and this. All right, thank you guys for watching.